Aloha, everybody. What's going on? It's Matt Jennis with IML. Yes, Matt Jennis, IML, iMarkets Live. And the website, my website is www.winwithforex.com. All right. If you want to check it out, please do. Feel free. If you want to contact me, get back to me on this video or Facebook or wherever you saw this video, and we can chat about this stuff. All right. So let me do a quick show of IML here. And whoops, I went the wrong way. This is our website. Okay. And as you can see up here, it's right at the very top. It says Welcome to Matt's website. And this is one of our founders. And it just shows what we have here. This is the basic front page of our website, IML Academy, which is obviously an educational side of learning how to trade Forex, foreign exchange. Okay, foreign exchange is what we do. Okay, but we also do things like cryptocurrency. Okay, we do night swing trades, which are foreign exchange, but just like nighttime within different markets. Okay, and here's some of our staff. This is our leadership team. They're actually getting ready to have a big seminar and weekend function this weekend. It's going to be amazing, and I'm not able to be there, but that's okay. That is okay. But what I wanted to show you is one of the tools that's not actually our tool, but it is one of the tools that we all use, and it is a compounding interest calculator. All right. So if you're not familiar with compounding interest, basically, as Albert Einstein says, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Okay, that's a big deal. Okay, so understand first of all the disclaimer is these are probable examples showing what potentially can happen. Only this is not an income claim. All right, this is for illustration only. Please practice safe trading and future profits. Past profits do not guarantee future profits. All right, so those are little disclaimers that we have to put out there to keep ourselves legal because this is not a guarantee. Because some people get in there and they play like they're in Vegas and they throw a whole bunch of money and they lose and they go, oh, this is junk. It doesn't work. But let me tell you, here's what can happen. So we're going to use this situation just as we all use it here. Okay. So the growth, the percentage of growth per the day. I'm going to go first here. So I'm going to say here's going to be number one is going to be this is going to be our start month here is number one, and this is where is going to be our starting amount. So let's just go ahead to starting amount, and I will do something that a lot of people do, 200. Okay, and that's $200 US dollars. All right, and then what I'm going to do is start month is 1, and my daily pip goal. What is a pip? Well, a pip is something that it's a percentage of which the market moves. All right, and you can count it in dollars, but the thing is everybody's dollars are different, right? The Australian dollar is different from the euro. The euro is different from the yen. The American dollar is different from the Canadian dollar. All right, so what we do is we do pips. Okay, and here's what we're looking at for a 10 pip. 10 pip. That's all we're looking for, and a pip is not that much. It's not that much at all. All right, and now we're going for a percentage, and here's the crazy thing: 2%. All right. Now, once I click it, you'll see some numbers change here. All right, we're going to do a different. You can play with this too. You can play with these numbers. Okay, so 2%. All right. Now here's what's going to happen. I'm going to show you. Just kind of run by. I'm going to show you the beginning and the ending of each month. Okay. So obviously you're starting at $200. All right. And your first day, you do your return on investment. Your ROI, your return on investment is 2%. Okay. Your return on profit is $4. Okay. The lot size is 0.04. Okay, it's 2%. And your total amount that you now have is $204. So we see how that all works, right? It works the same way on every line down here. All right, so what this is I'm going to drop straight down here, and I'm going to show you this is what your profit is for the month. Okay? All right. Now, if you look at that, you go, look, what? 97, basically $100 a month. That's not, But look at your invest. You started on day one with $200, and you now have $297. Does your bank pay you that? I don't think so. Because if it does, please tell me what bank you're at. Okay, so boom, we go to number 2. Notice 297.19, 297.19. All right, so that's where you start off with, right? So 2%, everything stays 2%. Your return on profit is $5.94. It was $4 last month. Now it's $5.94. Suddenly you're looking at like, oh whoa, I'm coming up towards $150 a month, right? So all of a sudden, what are we doing? What are we doing? So we've added 144 to wait a minute, what's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. We've added that this is our total that we have now. I'm sorry. So we've added the 144 to the 200. So now we're at 441.61. So there we go, 441.61. Boom. Suddenly your profits are moving up. As you see how this goes. Okay. This is what your value. This is what you earned this month. This is what your total is. This is what you earned this month. This is what your total is. All right. And understand you haven't added any more money into this. You're just rolling off of what you started with. Okay. Return, return, monthly profit. Here's what you made. Here's what you have. Here's what you made. Here's what you have. Right. Here's what you made. Here's what you have. So understand that now, as I come up to month 10, I have $10,496. All right, I come over here to month 11, $10,496.97 basically, and now my daily return is $209. Suddenly, it's like, well, wait a minute now. If I'm doing that 20 times a day, I'm making $5,100 a month, and that's on your 11th month. So that's within a year, you're making $7,500 a month. Okay, and again, this is if you do everything right. Right now you can mess with things. You can start doing different things like this. You can go, let's say 500. So we're going to go with 500. All right. You'll see how this changes. All right. As you start moving, suddenly you're making, your fourth month. I'm sorry, your third month. You're at 536, 797. Suddenly, month 7, you're at $2,600. Month 8, $3,800. Month 9, month 10, month 11, month 12. I mean, that's big dollars right there, right? That's big dollars. Then let's just say this. Let's say this. Let's say you've really done your due diligence. You've learned. You're practicing safe trading. You're not getting risky. You're not getting too crazy, and you decide to do 3%. 3% at $500. Okay, this is crazy. So by month five, you're at 4,200. Like almost $4,300. All right. So let's say by month 9, here's where you're at. I mean, this is insane. This is bonkers. This is a month now. This is every month. This is every month. And if you think this is crazy, you're crazy because this is absolutely happening. So this is the amazing reason why I am so excited about iMarkets Live. Okay, because yes, I will be completely 100% honest and say this is a business. Absolutely. This is the type of referral based business, whatever you want to call it. If you want to turn your nose up at it, whatever. But the long and short of it is these people here do not sell lotions, they don't sell pills, they don't sell shakes, they don't sell candles, they don't sell fingernails, they don't sell any of that stuff. What they do is they sell education. They sell education. They have signals. They have all these different things that you're able to get. Swipe coin, all these different things. Different educators are out there. This is incredible. Okay, so this is what the company has to offer. All right. Now the amazing thing is, yes, you can make money from the company, but honestly, I'm here. I'm here to learn this stuff. I'm here to learn to get to move from here to here to here. That's what I'm here to learn. All right. So I'm doing this. I'm doing my due diligence, and I will show you guys exactly where I went. And I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and this is exactly what I did. Okay. And I'm gonna show you where I'm at right now. I'm right in this area. Even though technically I'm in month 3, I'm actually in this area right now. So I'm about kind of up in this. I'm like right. Well, I'm right around number 3 and number 4. And I have some trades open right now that are in the positive, so I'll probably be, kind of closer down here by the time this video gets out. So yeah, this is what my next month is looking like right here. All right. So can $473 a month? Can that help you pay some bills? Can that help you, take a vacation? Can it help you pay off some things? Can it help you have a nice dinner? Can it help you buy a new car? Whatever the case may be. All right. So that's what it's all about. And this is something you can do from the privacy of your own home at all kinds of different times, utilizing the tools that we have available. It's amazing. So everybody, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll answer any questions you have, and I'm going to post this video up on my YouTube page, and hope everybody has an awesome, awesome day. All right. Aloha, everybody.